So I wanted to create this crane spreader like you've seen sometimes on some episodes of Thomas and Friends. It was designed, actually quick design, for Cranky the Crane, the remote control talking Cranky the Crane. So we can use the hook from Cranky and it fits perfect. So it was my first attempt. It's just a basic and simple design. 3D printed obviously. Alright, now let me show you how this thing works. Very simple. It does have some sort of railing that we can remove all the parts. Frame came out of the main beam and slide in any position we want. Now the printed orientation, we need to be very careful when printing these things. I've noticed some people printing this this way. This is not the right way. It should be printed this direction. Well, for those who wants to know, it does work for different sizes, engine sizes. Actually, this is made only for single engines, not attached tenders, not attached tender engines. It's very simple. 3D printed model is not meant to be stressed, as you know, sometimes kids like to stress the parts and break it, see how strong they are. But this is meant to be toy for, model. If you want to recreate, hold on. I'm just adjusting the frames so the model doesn't fall. But it's a nice setup for the Cranky the Crane. And actually I had to cut this, but I don't need it, the whole Cranky to showcase. But it works great. When I remove it again, so I'm gonna try these models that I 3D printed there using diesel 10 chassis. So here I'm going to slide a little bit, that way it doesn't fall off. Perfect. That is perfect. Any thoughts, let me know. I haven't added any details. I always work on prototypes. I always like to see how they look, but I probably am going to add some little details here, like the rivets, the bottom part too. But it's looking good. Looking good for Cranky the Crane, a crane spreader. Perfect.